We notice that customization is a big part of business practice. To that point, I'm going to show you Power BI. Power BI can help you easily create reports and custom dashboards that allow you to visualize your data and make better business decisions with that data. What I did here was put together an item sales dashboard that can help you track your sales by customer, uh, by posting group, and salesperson. Here at the top, I put a chart showing your sales amount and quantity by item number as well. Do you have any questions about what Power BI is and what it can do for you? I built these by accessing the tables in BC by connecting with the Comdata Service. As you can see here in the Fields tab, there's a bunch of different tables that I connected to Power BI from BC. I can simply pick the fields that I want, let's say here, and once I pick those fields, boom, boom, it'll generate a visualization for those values. I can also go in and change those visualizations if I want using the visualization dashboard here with a lot of pre-built charts and graphs that you can use, as well as I can also go in here and start filtering items to sort of zone in on exactly what data I want to display within this chart. I can also sort of rename the legend. As you can see, that sales dashboard, salesperson by name is the original name. I just changed it to salesperson. That way you can make things really clear to whoever's actually accessing this portal as to what they're seeing by using common language. Keeping track of trends in sales and knowing where your most sought after items are can help you make much better decisions in the future. But being able to access this information from any device can also be helpful. Power BI makes it easy to do so by going straight to the mobile layout. Once I've actually set up what I want to see here in my dashboard, I can click on this and you can see that it'll actually present you with the real estate area of a cell phone itself. And then what you can do is you simply drag and drop the charts that you've created in the previous section and sort of make them fit and look pretty on a cell phone so they can be accessed. All of this is standard feature within Power BI for you to be able to put these these visualizations and these portals together to be accessed in any device. But that's a basic overview of what you can do with Power BI. I hope this has given you a glimpse at the advantages of leveraging the many different options that Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central brings to bear. Thanks.